Okay. Now, I like that. Okay. Welcome back, everyone, to my channel. Thank you for joining me in my garage, finally. So it's finally cool enough to be able to enjoy my garage. So today I will be installing a catch can. Very simple, straightforward. Let's jump right into it. So we'll go over to my workbench and go through everything that came in the package. Okay, so this is everything that came in the box. Of course, the catch can, the two hoses, one with the L or U shape, one that is, I guess this is supposed to be straight. That's what it's called in the instructions. I think they call it straight. This one has the arrow on it. That's gonna come in handy once I install. You'll see. Of course, it has the instructions and then some stickers. Now, this one is the type that you mount in the car, so it's not just, I've seen some that's installed and it sits where it lays. I guess that's the way to put it, but I wanted one that mounted and I thought it looked cleaner too as well. So the mount is right here, and as I install, you'll see exactly where that goes. So I'm looking forward to doing this. This should be rather quick and easy. So let's get started. All right, I'm just gonna start here with the cover. Come off of there. Give it a little elbow grease. All right, sit that there. So this is where it mounts. This is here from the factory, so it goes right into that location. I just want to see how it's gonna fit. Okay, so I'm gonna take this off. It'll make it a little bit easier. Yikes, some washers in there. I don't want to drop that. I'm gonna put this on the counter. Okay, anything else that could fall off? No. Much easier, much easier. Okay, so I will get this started. Okay. Come off of there. Okay. Where are you, little clip? Did that one first so I could pull this one off. Okay. Set that aside. Okay, so this is the L-shaped or the U-shaped or whatever you want to call it. This goes on the valve cover. Snap. Snap. Come on. What is that I hear? Oh. Am I getting this all? Yeah. Okay. There we go. So remember I said there were arrows. The arrows should go away from the catch can. So I'm going to make sure it's turned this way There's something in the way. Oh, there it goes. No, it didn't. Okay, there. Oh. Now we're gonna use this one as a guide. Oh, I can fit my whole hand. Don't you act brand new. Okay. Okay. Now, I like that. This is in the way. Is it in? It's in. Okay. Oh. Like that hanging over there. What else is it rubbing? Is it catching on? So from here, I cleaned up a bit and I made sure the cover was on securely. It wasn't quite on, so I made sure that was done. And finally, here's a close-up of all of the good work. So that's it for today, friends. Thank you so much for watching. You know what I'm going to say. Keep the racing off of the streets. Yes, you, me too. That goes for me. And on the track. And I'll see you in my next video.